We are going to make okra derere. We need a pot, we need some water, salt, bicarbonate of soda, chili for those who like chili. Chili is optional. Your okra chopped, your tomato chopped, and your stirring spoon. We put some water in the pot and put it on the fire to boil. The amount of water depends on the amount of okra you've got. It's better to have your okra thick and you add your water as you go along. So we'll bring the water to a boil. Once your water has started boiling, add in your bicarbonate of soda, add in your salt, add in your chili, add in your okra, add in your tomatoes, and let that simmer. As it's simmering, stirring, I prefer to remove the excess fluff on top as it gives my okra nice green color that I like. Put it back on fire and simmer it more. Your okra is done, it's cooked. Turn off the heat. Transfer that into a bowl. The okra is ready to eat.